I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to set up an account with HSBC, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Visit the HSBC website. Go to the official HSBC website. Look for the option to create a new account, usually found on the homepage. Step 2. Choose your account type. Select the type of account you want to open, such as a checking or savings account. Make sure to read the features and requirements for each option. Step 3. Fill out the application form. Complete the online application form with your personal details, including your name, address, and contact information. Double-check for any typos to avoid delays. Step 4. Verify your identity. You may need to upload identification documents, like a passport or driver's license. Ensure the images are clear and meet the specified requirements. Step 5. Review and submit. Go through your application one last time to ensure everything is correct, then submit it. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. If you follow these steps, you should have your HSBC account set up in no time. Good luck and enjoy banking with HSBC.